A program that helps people expunge their criminal records is making waves in Santa Barbara. News Channel reporter Mina Wahab joins us here in the studio with a look at the Clean Slate program.
According to the 2023 National Survey of People with Records, half of those with prior convictions reported difficulties finding a job, keeping employment, or even making a living. On average, people with a felony conviction earned just $23,000 a year. But today, hundreds of people could be getting a chance to reposition themselves for a better future, and it all starts with a letter.
I don't think your worst day should define the rest of your life. And I do think that everybody's worthy of consideration and a second chance.
Criminal defense attorney William Makler says sometimes all it takes is a second chance to turn your life around.
These are folks that have really cleaned up their act. They've been punished, they've been processed, they've paid their dues, in many cases have served time, and so they're ready to get back into the workforce.
As a former public defender and founder of the People's Justice Project, Joseph Doherty champions efforts to help rehabilitate formerly incarcerated individuals.
Part of this process is being a human being in sometimes a very mechanical process. And I get to know my clients intimately in helping them tell their story to the court as a part of their effort to clear their criminal record.
Doherty says thousands of offenses are eligible for expungement, ranging from infractions and misdemeanors to certain felonies. On Friday, volunteers from the Public Defender's Office to the District Attorney's Office helped guide participants through the process of clearing their records. Once the logistics are handled, the client writes a letter showing how their life has changed since the arrest.
It's the most essential piece of information that we have to attach as an exhibit to our clients' petitions. It's a direct communication from our client to the judge that's going to decide whether to grant or deny their petitions.
This UC Santa Barbara intern helps clients put those stories into words.
If a lot of their cases are drug related, we make sure to understand their sobriety journey and share that with the judge, share their goals. If their goal is to regain custody of their kids, we talk about their kids, their relationships, and everything they're doing. If they go to the park with their kids every week.
The Clean Slate Clinic shows that beyond a conviction, there's often a deeper story of redemption.
Understanding the history behind a person and everything leading up to their record, not just what they did on this date in this moment, brings a lot more, again, humanity to the law.
And the California Policy Lab estimates nearly 1 in 8 Californians with a criminal record may be eligible for a full expungement. And more than 80% are eligible to have at least one prior arrest or conviction cleared. Scott, back to you.
Thank you very much, Mina.